Epoxy putty is one of the most useful materials I use all the time in the shop. Where is it? It's here. And I recently ended up in a situation that only this could save the day. I lost the mount screw for my action camera. Luckily, I had a screw that fit the mount, but the screw alone wasn't really useful. So I fixed the problem using epoxy putty. This glue starts hardening in about 20 minutes and fully cure in around 12 hours. After that, you can paint them, carve them, or engrave into them.